This is my top tip for cooking greens. This time of year, there's some fantastic greens out there, all from the UK. Things like kales, calvadoneras. It's the perfect time for them to be growing. They're really healthy, beautiful, vibrant, and really easy to cook. So I'll show you a really simple way. But first of all, I'm going to show you how to flavour it, and I'm going to make a confit garlic the simplest way possible. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply chop a clove of garlic into a bowl with olive oil, put it in the microwave for a minute, bang, confit garlic. I mean, in the restaurant, it takes them 2 hours to do it. Use a microwave, way simpler. So I'm just going to chop this up. So I've just got 1 clove of garlic, like so. I'm going to pop that in a little bowl, or I actually use a mug at home for this, and just cover it with olive oil, about 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons like that. That goes into the microwave for 1 minute, and it'll be soft and full of garlic flavour. So that's been in the microwave for a minute. It's nice and soft and garlicky. And now to cook them, really simple. Just a pan with a lid, a little splash of water, a tiny amount of water, probably a tablespoon of water. I'm gonna pop that on the heat and add my kale. Now what you want is just enough water to steam it, to cook it, but then you want that water to evaporate, because then you're going to add the oil and then saute it. So you're doing steaming and sauteing in one pan. Don't add any seasoning at this point, you just want to steam it. So that's been steaming for about a minute. As you can see, all the water's evaporated and it's nice and soft. I'm going to add my confit garlic in there. A little bit of seasoning, a bit of salt. And then I'm just going to literally almost stir fry it at the end with that oil and garlic. About 30 seconds. And that is it. There you have it. The garlic is infused with the kale. It's lovely and bright still. It hasn't been overcooked. And that is my top tip for your green vegetables at Christmas. Lovely stuff.